Hi, I'm Rebecca, the Human Experience Consultant at Kindera. At Kindera, we believe care goes beyond meeting physical needs. It's about nurturing the whole person. One of the powerful ways we do this is through music care. Music has the ability to connect, comfort, and bring joy. A familiar song can spark memories, encourage movement, reduce anxiety, and create meaningful moments between residents and team members. Through music care, we intentionally use music as part of our daily care approach, whether it's a calming playlist during a quiet moment, singing together in a small group, or playing a resident's favorite song to brighten their day. It's not just about entertainment, it's about connection. It's about dignity. It's about creating a person centered environment where each resident feels seen, heard, and valued. We integrate music care into what we do. We strengthen relationships, support emotional well being, and create moments that truly matter. This is how we enrich lives together.